Hi everyone! Welcome back to Learning with Cat. And today, Cat needs some help. Cat has some special Halloween rings and she wants to make the colour that each of these rings are. Can you help me? You can! That's brilliant! The first ring colour that I would like to make is orange. Good job. Can you say orange? Well done. Our second colour that we are going to make today is green. Well done. That is a green spider. And our final colour that we will make today is purple. Can you say purple? Good job. But the only paints that Cat has are these three colours. These are called primary colours. We have red, that's right. Then we have blue, good job. And the final colour? Yellow. Well done. To make our secondary spider ring colours, we need to mix two of these colours together. Will you help, Cat? Great, let's get started. Our first two colours we are going to mix is red and blue. I wonder what colour it will make. To mix, we're going to be using our hands. This is a fun and exciting way to learn about colour mixing. Make sure you're using a non-toxic paint. Right, let's get started. I'm going to first add some red paint to this hand. Ooh, that feels cold. And the other hand, I'm going to add blue. Good job. I wonder what colour this will make. Will it be orange, purple, or green? Do you know? Let's take a look. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, mix. Rub your hands together. Red and blue make purple. Good job. Red and blue make purple. Let's move on to our next colour. Hands nice and clean. Now let's try red. And this time, not blue, but yellow. That's right, yellow. Yellow like the sun. Can you think of anything else that is yellow? Can you think of a fruit? How about a banana? A banana is yellow. Right, are we ready? Let's see what colour red and yellow make. 1, 2, 3, mix. Red and yellow make orange. We have now made the second spider ring colour, orange. Good job. Let's make our final secondary colour. The last two colours we are going to mix is blue. Can you think of anything that is blue? What about the sky? The sky is blue. And we need to now also use yellow for our final colour to make. Let's see what happens. Can you count with me? 1, 2, 3, mix! Yellow and blue make green! Good job! Our final colour has been made. We have made green. All the secondary colours have now been made. Good job! Thank you so much for helping Cat make her secondary colours. You have been so helpful. But can you remember what the colours we used to mix to make each colour? What two colours make orange? Can you remember? It was yellow and red. Good job. Yellow and red make orange. What about purple? Can you remember what two colours make purple? They were red and blue. Good job. Red and blue make purple. Well done. And our final colour is green. What two colours make green? They were yellow and blue. Fantastic. Yellow and blue make green. Thank you so much. I hope you had fun. I'll see you next time. Bye.